Hey guys, I'm Chase here at Starting Strength Houston, and we're going to talk about chalk. What we see here is that people don't understand how to take care and maintenance of a chalk block. You end up with shit like this all the damn time. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's just like Fruity Pebbles in a bowl, right? Instead of this nice chalk brick that I'm about to unveil. So what you're going to do if you get a new chalk brick is that, I didn't do that. But you're gonna slowly massage it to where you're kind of condensing and making sure that the chalk brick is nice and secure and compact enough to where whenever you draw on your hands, it doesn't crumble apart, and you don't do that.
Clean the thing up!